Make a great choice today with the 2016 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, auto express down window, hands-free link system, cruise control, power door locks, side airbag system, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
I'm Mike Murphy, owner of Mike Murphy Ford. I appreciate you visiting our website and hope you find it helpful. We would be glad to answer any of your questions, send you more photos, arrange a test drive, arrange financing. Just let us know how we can help. We get it. Price sells cars.